Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 22nd, 2026, and we're diving into OFG Bancorp's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. OFG Bancorp, the financial holding company for Oriental Bank, has just released its results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their EPS performance to strategic initiatives in Puerto Rico.
EPS and revenue performance. Let's start with the earnings per share. OFG Bancorp reported a diluted EPS of $1.27 for the fourth quarter, surpassing the analyst's forecast of $1.66. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
OFG Bancorp's EPS of $1.27 not only beat expectations, but also marked a 16.4% increase year over year. This growth is attributed to disciplined core operations and a favorable tax benefit. For the full year, the EPS was $4.58, up from $4.23 in 2024, reflecting strong operational momentum.
And how did their revenue perform?
Total core revenues for the fourth quarter were $185.4 million, slightly up from $184 million in the previous quarter and $181.9 million in the same quarter last year. This steady growth indicates a solid underlying performance.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. OFG Bancorp has shown impressive operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their key performance metrics?
Certainly. The net interest margin stood at 5.12%, and the return on average assets was 1.81%. Their efficiency ratio was 56.65%, indicating effective cost management. Additionally, they repurchased $40.1 million of common shares in the fourth quarter, highlighting their commitment to shareholder returns.
What about their future outlook?
The company is optimistic about sustained economic activity in Puerto Rico, supported by infrastructure investments and new onshoring projects. Their digital-first strategy is also expected to drive future growth.
Credit quality and loan portfolio. Let's discuss credit quality in the loan portfolio. How did OFG Bancorp perform in these areas?
The total provision for credit losses was $31.9 million, reflecting increased loan volume and specific reserves. Net charge-offs were $26.9 million, with a non-performing loan rate of 1.59%. Loans held for investment reached $8.2 billion, and new loan production was $605.6 million, indicating robust lending activity.
How does this impact their overall financial health?
Despite the increase in provisions, the company's asset quality remains sound. The growth in loans and new production underscores their strong market position and ability to manage credit risk effectively.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. What insights did CEO Jose Rafael Fernandez provide about the company's strategic direction?
CEO Jose Rafael Fernandez highlighted the company's disciplined capital deployment and shareholder returns. They grew their client base by 4.26% and emphasized their digital-first strategy, which solidifies their leadership in banking innovation in Puerto Rico. The CEO also noted the strong performance of Puerto Rico's economy, which supports their confidence in long-term growth.
How do these initiatives position OFG Bancorp for the future?
These initiatives position OFG Bancorp to capitalize on economic growth and technological advancements, ensuring they remain competitive and continue to deliver value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, OFG Bancorp has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter and full year of 2025 with impressive earnings growth and strategic initiatives. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
OFG Bancorp's solid financial metrics and strategic focus on innovation and market expansion make it a compelling investment opportunity. Their ability to navigate economic challenges and capitalize on growth opportunities bodes well for future performance.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on OFG Bancorp's performance in the comments below.